Love, I know you're tired. I know you have been giving and giving to others, keeping all the plates and all the balls up in the air and wondering when is your turn? When can you really disconnect? When can you get away so you can have great ideas? So you can look at your business and your life and look at the areas where you can make improvements, some freaking changes ASAP, and just breathe. But I know that the mere thought of thinking, where am I going to go? How am I going to get there? The meals, when, how do I arrive? And all the transfers and all the things, just thinking of even picking a location, you're like, you cannot even handle that because what you need is to almost like teleport from where you are to where you want to be, do some healing, some resting, some serious eating, some R&R, and then look at your life as you plan for the year ahead, as you plan for your next level, and be clear, rested, focused, connected with yourself, with that thing that you know you have been called to do, and not in your environment because it's just not giving. You need to get away. I know that, right? How do I know that? Girl, because I've been there, because I am you. And when I discover the and leverage the amazing power of getting away, going away, and working on yourself, everything changed. And that's why I created the Healed Woman Immersion Retreats. And these retreats are not like anything you have ever seen before because I know how tired you are. And the last thing you want to do is have to connect with people and keep yourself together and having small conversations. You need to get away, period. And you need to do some healing at the same time. So the last thing you want to do is be with other people. You want to be by yourself, maybe with an amazing person that is trauma informed, that can really help you guide, disconnect, rest. And trust me, I know you're like, Kat, I know how to rest. Do you really? Because I had to learn. So maybe you don't know how to rest and you want all the details. I mean, everything taken care of. And that's why I want to go over, make sure that I get everything here that you know that you're going to get when you say yes to yourself. Okay. So this is for you or and your business partner. So I have created these amazing immersion retreats for one person or your business partner because I know that having that reset together is delicious. So just imagine these things inside the container that I have created. You have deep rest for your body and for your spirit. You have rituals and practices that help you regulate and soften back into your feminine. Okay. You create a feminine center business strategies that work for your life all business, personal, all the relationships, okay? You have a cultural immersion, and I know how you are. You like to learn, and you just want to be with the people and have the food and have experiences and have fun and laugh. We're gonna have that, okay? And then me, your trauma informed guide that is gonna have all the tools and resources so you can just be there and I'll help you through the healing process. Okay. So I know that you're like, Kat, that sounds amazing. Where are we going? I thought you were never going to ask. This is where we're going. So if we stay in the US, which is perfectly fine, these are the places that I have selected for us to go. We have the options of Hawaii, right? Amazing. The Berkshires, which is right in Massachusetts, about now an hour from New York, New Mexico, Oregon, and Arizona. I am open to other amazing places, but that's what we have in the US. Now, my favorite, international travel. Okay. I've been traveling since I was 14 years old. One of my favorite things to do. So internationally, top of the list is India, Argentina, Spain, Peru, and we cannot forget the Caribbean. So we have Dominican Republic. That's where I'm from. Puerto Rico, I have spent extensive time there, and my beloved Mexico, which of course I've also spent a lot of time there. These are the places that I have mapped out for us where we're just gonna reconnect you with that soft, delicious version of who you are. So you don't have to do it by yourself anymore. You don't have to keep giving and giving, and then there's nothing left for you. And you're like, why isn't my business advancing to the level? I know that I have it. I know that I'm a hard worker. And sometimes it's not about doing more, it's about doing more of the right things and less of the things that no longer work for you in your life or for your business. So if this is something like Kat, this is exactly what the doctor ordered. I wanna, and also I am one of the best people to travel with because I am easygoing and things always work out for me. I am one of the luckiest people you're ever gonna meet. Things just happen. I'm a foodie. I love food. You're also gonna have a long time. This is not gonna be one of those things where we're always doing all the time. No, girly pops. Yes, we're gonna do work, but part of the work is resting. Part of the work is eating delicious, decadent foods, drinking as many coconut drinks as we possibly can, enjoying the culture, going to the theater, taking a dance class or two. I'm telling you, depending on where you are and what you need, I'm creating the best amazing recipe for you. See, this is how excited I am for you. And also, many of the places that I have picked, I already speak the language. So, girl, we're gonna be all sad. And if I don't, I'll make sure that we have the right people to take us from point A to point B and have an amazing time, downtime, relax time, girly time. That's the best time, right? All right. So all you have to do is complete the application that I'm gonna put right here below for you. We're going to have a conversation and we're going to get to know each other and see where you are, what your needs are. And then we'll see if this container that I have created is perfect for you. And then we go from there and then we choose where we're going. And then I'll take me and my team take care of everything. Okay. When I say everything, everything, all you have to do is take care of the flight. And if you don't want to take care of that, I have the most amazing trip booker and planner in the planet, and she can do that for you as well. So you don't even have to do nothing. You can just say, here's my credit card, or do everything and just hit me the button so I can hit send. That is also available. When I say we have taken care of everything, I mean we have taken care of everything. Everything. I'll even tell you exactly what to pack so you don't even have to think about that. Okay. You take care of so many people, you take care of so much that for once in your life, you can be pampered and have everything taken care of for you. And then be set up to have the amazing results in your personal life, which are gonna overflow into your business and have the strategies that are gonna help you catapult your business in ways and easy. I'm talking about easy peasy, delicious, amazing, incredible. So I know what you're thinking, Kat, why are you still talking? I need to go fill up this application so we can go away ASAP. I know. I just get excited, girl. I get excited. Let's get out of here. Let's reconnect with ourselves, have an amazing old time. And let me help you. Let me help you come back in this with this amazing immersion retreat just for you and your business partners if you choose so. So let me know if you have any questions below. In the meantime, go fill out the application, get on my calendar, and let's have a chat. Even the chat, girl, is going to be incredible. So what are you waiting for?